All right, so this is that swarm, the first swarm I caught. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Check it out. Get in front of the bee boxes real quick. Already there's a pretty good amount of bees in this top box here. Ooh, tons of good comb. Look at that. Brand new comb. There's some pollen and nectar in that one. Nice and white. Same here. Bunch of nectar. I don't see too much pollen in that one. Oh, I did find an empty frame. All right, so let's pull that out, make this a little bit easier. Nectar, not built out yet. A little bit of comb there, a little bit of comb there. Ooh, that's a heavy frame right here. Pollen and nectar. More nectar. Pollen on this side. This one's heavy too. All right, so there's some larvae in this one. Yeah, there's definitely some larvae in this one, some eggs. That's good. Last time I was in this one, I didn't see any. Oh, I apologize for not showing the camera, but it's all eggs in that yellow. Where the comb's all yellow, there's eggs in that one. Out here where it's white, that's still pollen, or I mean, nectar. There's eggs and pollen in this one. Nectar, eggs. So she's doing work. This one's super heavy. Dang, look at all that. Look at all that pollen. Yeah, that's a good one right there. These are not a package of bees. This is that swarm that I caught. And super happy to have them. Super happy to have them. They're definitely doing work. And comparing them to my other bees, these guys are doing really well. Really well. So I'm going to take this frame. Push these guys out. Push this one out. Putting that blank frame out in the middle so they build it. Alright, so then woo, that's got some weight to it now. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom box and put it on top of this box, because there ain't too many bees in this portion of the box. Or I could always start checkerboarding it down in here. Yeah, there's nothing built down here. Nothing built. So, what to do, what to do? I'm gonna checkerboard. You know what, instead of checkerboarding, I'm just gonna put it right on top. Let's do that. I should have positioned the camera a little bit better. I'll see if I can get it. But these bees, they were all waiting to get in because I was standing here blocking them. Some gentle bees, I like it. That's good. So I'm not gonna mess with these bees too much more. Let them keep on doing their thing. All right. Set the camera up for the next one. All right, so this was the one that was in the nuke. Sorry, my smoker went out again. Well, evidently didn't go completely out, but wasn't smoking much. And I got to take a frame from this one, this green one here. I broke one of the ears off in one of the old frames that came from a nuke I got, and I want to replace it, so I got to get that done. So now that these guys got smoked a bit, jump in here, check them out, see how they're doing. They don't seem to really be doing much of nothing. they still only maybe have 4 frames and they're building this wild comb. I'm not sure what that's all about. I don't know how to stop them from doing it. But that's the kind of stuff they're doing. I don't know what that's about. But there ain't nothing in it, so I guess I could just pull it off, but see here, they're doing it again. I don't know. And there's eggs in there. So, whatever. I'll just let them have it. I might have to steal some brood from another hive or something. Yeah, they're doing pretty good. I mean, this is full. They're pretty full. Definitely one of my weakest hives, for sure. There's the queen. This is this is a split that I did. That's why she's marked. She came from the original package, and I figured, oh, I'll just do a split, and they should just kick butt and take off. But that's not the way it worked. See, there's some pollen. There's nothing in there. I don't know. Maybe she's just... I don't know. They don't have a lot of bees in this, so I'm not even gonna try to get them to build more comb. I'm just gonna leave them alone. Now we'll do this green one a little bit. I'll show you all that comb that got caught up. I'm just hoping that they built next to it, but it doesn't look like it. See, this is that frame that I was telling you about. They just got stores and stuff in it. Most of the eggs are hatched out of here. I might leave it a little bit longer. I don't know. But see, this is the ear that broke off. It's just a little bit harder to handle. It's not 100% broke off, but definitely makes it hard to work on. Let's change the angle here. there's eggs. I don't know. Also not a strong hive. So I'm not going to spend too much time messing with them. I'm actually going to take this box from them. Alright, so I figured I'd take that amount of box away from them. So then they should be able to build quicker. Keep it warmer or something. I'm not sure what's going on there. It's almost like I gave them too much room. Now these guys are doing pretty good, it looks like. That's got eggs in it. Yep, there she is. I don't know if you can see her. Let me set this down. She's right there. Full of nectar, capped brood, eggs. There's eggs and pollen and such on this. Those are all empty. See, they were building a wild comb too. All this, I pulled it off the last time I was in here. This is a swarm. I'm not going to open it up. This is that last swarm that I picked up. It's in that box there. I got this as an empty hive. I got that as an empty hive. Maybe I have these too close. I don't know. But those are the bee feeders, the sugar water. But yeah, that's the my beehives. So I'm going to end this video here. Hit the subscribe. Get the notification bell clicked on as well, so you get the notifications when I make new videos and such. All right, on to the next video.